In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can speed up videos on your iPhone using Apple's free tools. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you don't know, there is no built-in control in the Photos app. So what we're going to use is either iMovie or CapCut to do this. Essentially, go ahead and back out of this option. Open up the App Store on your device and either search for iMovie and go ahead and download that, or search for CapCut, C-A-P-C-U-T, and go ahead and download CapCut. In this case, I'm going to use CapCut since I already have it downloaded, but both are free options. Open up whatever editor you decide to go with and import your video by selecting New Video up at the very top and finding whatever video you want to speed up. Let's say I want to speed up this video right here. Go ahead and select Add, and it's going to look something like this on both apps. Essentially, select the clip, and to the right of it, you're going to see an option for speed. Go ahead and select that, and then just go ahead and adjust the speed by dragging it up here. Now, I will say you can go ahead and drag it up to 100x the speed here on your mobile device on CapCut, while on iMovie, you can only adjust it up to 2x. But you can also slow it down by dragging to the left as well. But as you can see, after I do this, if I hit play, the video is clearly sped up. To remove this at the end, if you are on CapCut, simply just select it and delete it, and boom, you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can speed up your videos. Whenever you're done, either hit Save Movie up at the top, or Save Video, or even Export, and you are good. And now when you open up your Photos app, your sped up video is going to be saved and ready to share. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.